Good morning, y'all. So I'm on my way to a hair appointment. Getting a wig installed. The wig was created by the same person that's installing it. If you guys have been keeping up with me on Instagram, then you guys know. I am going to the T.2 Luxe. She is located in Maryland. And like always for my hair appointments, I am running late. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
Wave make the girls go crazy. Wave make the girls go crazy.
Now, you guys are always asking if JHA has wigs. We do not have wigs for sale. However, this is the person that makes all of my units. If you need a wig made, check her out. Her Instagram is at the T.2 Luxe, and I will have all of her information down below. I will also include a link down below to her custom wig inquiry form. When filling out that form, let her know that JHA sent you and give her the discount code JHA to save some money off of your custom wig or extension service. Now, she is in the DMV area. However, if you are not in the DMV area, you can still get a wig made, okay? She does service people all throughout the United States. And if you are in the DC, Virginia, Maryland area and you would like a sew-in as opposed to a wig, she can definitely give you one of those as well. Again, just give her the discount code JHA or let her know JHA sent you, and you will receive a discount so that you can save some money off of your custom wig order or extension service.
So the hair definitely colors very well. Okay. It's an amazing look. It took the color on one lick and I didn't use any bleach. So, and not only that, I like that it still has like natural shine. Do you see that? There's no product on the hair. It's so pretty. From the weft all the way to the end. Didn't dry out or anything. See that? So this is really, it's a high quality type of hair. Really high quality. I really love it. A lot of people send me hair, and I'm like, no, it's not cutting it. I'm not coloring it. This hair, it was amazing. It was amazing. I'll send you around. You're sitting on a gold line.
Wave make the girls go crazy. Wave make the girls go crazy. Wave make the girls go crazy. Wave make the girls go crazy.
Like, it's really the color for me. It's really the melt for me. It's really the T.2 Luxe for me, okay? It's also JHA